Jesus, this guy is disgraceful for here. Do not watch this video if you're not here to learn and teach, because this is a class of teachers and learners. Hi everyone, it's Buzo here, and I'm here to give us a little rundown on how I created this amazing look. I'll be explaining all the details and the process I use on this look, so it's very important that you listen to the voiceover, stay on the video till the end, and you know what to learn, what to add, and make sure you contribute to this video, please. If you have any question or anything to add to the information I'm giving, do well to leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that you get notified whenever I post videos like this and other tutorials. So I'll be skipping the hair part because this is not a frontal installation tutorial. Here are a few things you need to know if you're a makeup beginner, or rather a reminder if you're already in the makeup business. Before you go in with your moisturizer, make sure you have a clean canvas. Either the person is directly coming out from the shower or you clean their face. No matter how clean they say their face is, you clean their face. There are residues on the face. Make sure you clean the face before you go in with your moisturizer or any other thing. Before you start the face prep, make sure you clean the face. Always start on a clean canvas. And of course, after your moisturizer, you use your primer to prime the face. Make sure you always use a mattifying primer it's an oily face. If the client is or the model has an oily face, make sure you use a mattifying primer. For the foundation, I'm going in with Sheila matte foundation in cocoa. So because she has a red undertone, I'm going to be using the shades with the red undertone. You can see me apply another shade on the shade I already applied. Just watch closely. I'm going to be leaving the products and shades I used in this video on the description below. As you can see, I'm going in with my beauty blender after using the brush to spread the foundation. One of the most important things to note while doing your makeup is that it's very important, no matter how long it takes, no matter how fast you are in your makeup, it's very important that you blend the foundation. You blend every single part. When you apply the foundation, you make sure you blend it out. Everything must look seamless. If you're already in the makeup industry, you would know this Golibe palette that has concealers and blush. If you know it, you would know it has a matte finish, and I've always wanted to use a cream blush. So if you know any cream blush that would do well, please leave it in the comment section. Go to this comment section and recommend a cream blush that is very good. I would be using and testing it here as well. So I'm highlighting the under eye with my Yanga Beauty concealer. So there is a thing you should know about concealers, especially cream concealers that are very light. Once you apply them, you don't start blending immediately. You let them sit for a little bit. You can do any other thing. This would help you achieve a full coverage while blending. You're one of those people that gets angry when this band is untied and then you find some spaces that has no foundation and you'll be wondering how to cover it up without touching the lace. Here is a good way to do that. Get a flat brush, get a very slim brush, and take the foundation. You don't have to take full foundation, just smudge it on the pan, take a little and apply it as you're seeing on the screen. While blending the under eye, know it's very important to start from the outer corners of the eyes and blend gently into the under eye. Start from the outer corner of the eyes and blend gently into the under eye. The key is gentility and soft taps. It's time to set the under eye. Now, always notice when your under eye is about to crease. Before setting the under eye, make sure you blend, make sure you tap, make sure you remove those little creases before you set. Also know that there is difference between baking and setting. What we're doing here right now is setting. Make sure you don't have a lot of powder on your powder puff. Always smudge it on your palm before applying on the under eye. For some reason, I had to draw this brow behind the camera because I think my phone stopped recording or something. But bear with me, I would have a detailed brow tutorial and eyeshadow tutorial up on the channel soon. So make sure you're subscribed and your notification is on. After highlighting your brow, make sure you blend. Please don't be like me. Blend, 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 blend. Please, if you're using eyeshadow primer, make sure you blend very well. This can be difficult to blend, but make sure you blend very well. Unless you want to use concealer for your eyeshadow primer, but even at that, you blend very well. You can see after applying it, I took a new brush to blend, and as I'm blending, I'm making sure everything is looking smooth. If not, your eyeshadow won't turn out well because the base wasn't smooth enough. So make sure you blend thoroughly. you're one of those people that after doing their makeup, always thinking, what could I have done differently? What could I have done differently? Gather in the comment section. Let's discuss this because it's becoming serious. Now here is the look. Even if it's not the finished look, tell me what you would do differently if you're doing this makeup. Tell me what you would have changed, what you wouldn't have added, what you would have added, or anything. I also recommend cream products that I could test on this channel. So here's the final look. Let's know what your thoughts are. And I did 3 different lips. Let's know which one is your favorite in the comment section. And I'll be waiting. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.